Hi there, Alim Karim here, and today's topic I will be discussing about writing the SEO content using AI. That is the main focus of the series. However, what we are going to learn first is how the Google crawler or any search engine crawler works, because this will help you to rank your site. Once you know how crawler thinks, how it behaves, that is kind of the fundamental. Most of the people talks about search engine optimization, but do not talk about how crawler works. So you do not know the engineering behind it. And a lot of the things you do by hearing about things from people, but usually these actually does not probably work, probably does not work. So there are some guesswork there. But if you understand how crawler works, I mean, to give you the good news, it's like end of the SEO engineering. You could do better now. Learn a little bit about Elementor basics. You can think of like a basic crash course on Elementor. And then we're going to learn about the Yoast plugin, WordPress. And finally, we also see how to create specific prompts. So because we're going to write using AI, we're not manually write stuff. We're going to write some manual stuff for sure. We're going to give the structure of the theme, where to write. Also, I will suggest how to start, like scratching the surface, how to do the ideas generate. But in this video, I will not be sharing how you can find the keywords, which keyword works better, because for this there are tons of videos. So what I will be showing, it's nowhere in the YouTube. You cannot find it, even no one will talk about. And just to be safe, do not share with anyone, because if you share this video and they know it, everyone will rank their website, and I don't want that. Just keep it private, okay? And we will see zero to end. From zero to end, the content writing using prompts, understanding the crawler, the whole engineering perspective, how you can put the engineering into it and make your site or the page like blown. However, whatever I'm going to show you, it does not guarantee you to be top, but if you understand the search engine and crawler, you will see the meaning out of it. So here, you see readability 0, score 0, everything is 0. From there to the final one, if we go here, this one, which has everything green. But again, having the green does not mean that we are successful. That is kind of the spoiler. And to understand this, you have to see like what I'm saying in terms of engineering and every perspective. The other parts will be whoever is talking about us, and I explain this in details. It's a very deep video. It requires your concentration. I suggest you to take notes using Workflowy and documents or OneNote, whatever, because if you don't take notes, you will be lost. The training will not add any value to you. It would be just like watching an entertainment. And if you want to just get entertainment, I don't suggest you to watch training videos, watch movies. That's better, right? Why waste your time? But again, if you're here to learn stuff, try to take notes. If you take notes, you will be successful, inshallah. Okay? Now, also learning the content creation, like how we're going to do it, we're also going to learn outbound link, inbound link, and how to trick, most importantly, trick search engine to rank your page, obviously. And do not share this with anyone. Keep it secret. Throughout the video, if you find things helpful, please let me know in the comment saying it was helpful. If it was not helpful, also let me know your feedback. I will work on it. Every feedback is valuable. If you give me a negative feedback, it's like a gold mine. As Bill Gates said, your unsatisfied customers are the great source of learning. I truly believe it. Even though you are not my customer or client, but your feedback is truly valued. Let's see you in the course.